Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a grammar and vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. He dash his friend tomorrow. The correct option is B. Will meet. Question 2. Which word is a synonym for the word happy? The correct option is D. Joyful. Question 3. What is the comparative form of good? The correct option is A. Better. Question 4. I dash my homework before dinner. The correct option is C. Did. I did my homework before dinner. Question 5. She has lived in the city dash 2019. The correct option is B. Since. She has lived in the city since 2019. Question 6. The children dash playing in the park right now. The correct option is D. R. The children are playing in the park right now. Question 7. I finished my homework dash watched TV. The correct option is A. And. I finished my homework and watched TV. Question 8. He dashed his wallet on the bus yesterday. The correct option is C. Lost. He lost his wallet on the bus yesterday. Question 9. The cat is hiding dash the table. The correct option is C. Under. The cat is hiding under the table. Question 10. My sister is dash than me in math. The correct option is B. Better. My sister is better than me in math. Question 11. We dashed to the museum last weekend. The correct option is D. Went. We went to the museum last weekend. Question 12. He doesn't like tea dash he drinks coffee. The correct option is A. So, he doesn't like tea, so he drinks coffee. Question 13. She always dash her room before sleeping. That's right, the correct option is B, cleans. She always cleans her room before sleeping. Question 14. Choose the correct spelling. The correct spelling is D. Question 15. The movie was dash interesting than I expected. The correct option is A, more. The movie was more interesting than I expected. Question 16. I have never dash sushi before. The correct option is B, eaten. I have never eaten sushi before. Question 17. Please wait here, dash I return. The correct option is D, until. Please wait here until I return. Question 18. The students dash excited about the trip. The correct option is A, were. The students were excited about the trip. Question 19. The teacher asked us dash quietly. The correct option is B, to speak. The teacher asked us to speak quietly. Question 20. My parents dash at home when I called them. The correct option is D, were. My parents were at home when I called them. Question 21. This is dash umbrella, not mine. That's right, the correct option is A, his. This is his umbrella, not mine. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word ancient? The correct option is A, modern. Question 23. The teacher dash happy with our performance. The correct option is B, was. The teacher was happy with our performance. Question 24. She was tired, dash, she continued working. The correct option is D, but. She was tired, but she continued working. Question 25. Dash, you enjoyed the picnic yesterday? The correct option is A. Did. Did you enjoy the picnic yesterday? That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.